So the client contacted the office and asked us to come along and swap her standard switches to the new Tewke Tap switches to give her a bit more scope to be able to control them remotely. The Tap is a smart switch which has the capability of controlling multiple lights, rooms, scenarios. They can be easily retrofitted into your standard lighting systems. The reason the client asked us to fit these is because she likes to host, so the need just to come in and press one button and all the lights get set to a setting for a nice atmosphere. We arrived on site, allocated the switches that needed to be swapped, positioned the new taps and the Tewkes in place ready, and got them all connected. And then at the end, we went round and fitted the front of the taps and got it all linked to the app. As a typical standard switch, you can do it in about 15-20 minutes. In total, it took us about a day to swap all the switches, and then it took about half a day to link them all to the apps. Once we got going and we knew how to do it, it flowed very smoothly. It was quite easy to use the app. It kind of helps you, guide you step by step. Once they're in position, it's quite easy to connect. The terminals are very good, very sturdy. I am aware of other ones. In terms of how they compare, I feel that the Tap ones are a lot more user-friendly. They're a lot more easier to set up. They're a lot more easier to kind of customize it to each individual person. They are very good at being able to be retrofitted into existing systems. You can group lights together, you can group rooms together, set them morning, evening. You can come in and press the morning button and all your nice lamps come on. The client can download the app and then they can share the household to yourselves. It eliminates the need of a specialist commissioning engineer to come in and plug their laptop in. The downsides of the traditional ones, once the scenes are set, without getting someone back out, you can't adapt the scenes. With these ones, it's easy to change scenes, change lighting setups. It can all just be done on a touch of a button on your phone. Having the technical support is really good, especially with these, and that they can remotely sign on if needs be to see if there's any anomalies. The support we have had from them on the app side of things has been really good. Once we started programming, there was just a couple of things on the app I just wanted to verify that we were doing it correctly, and they were very helpful, guiding us and saying which route to go down. Time is money. You want to be able to go somewhere, install it, set it all up, and be able to walk away knowing you've done a nice job, the client's happy, and there's no risk of callbacks. I would advise any clients to definitely look into Tap and its capabilities. The fact that they can tailor it to their needs, I feel like it would be very appealing to a lot of clients.